Hey everybody, I'm here to show you how to change the due date. The question has come up a couple of times on how you change your due date in Canvas. So, a couple of different ways. You can come over here to assignments. So once you're in your course. So right now I'm in the 6th grade course. So I'm in an assignments. And then in that list, I can find the assignment, and then you'll see right here that I've started changing some of the due dates. So you'll see this one, I have the 30th, the 11th of September, 18th. So I can go, let's go to the create your own yoga sequence assignment. Then I'm going to go to edit. To change anything, you always have to edit it. And then I come down here, and you can see here different online methods. And then you keep scrolling down and you come here to the assign box, and it's assigned to everyone in the class. Now, I've combined all my classes that use this curriculum in the same. So what I could do theoretically is I could just pick one of the courses, or I can pick a specific student. So there's options here, but everyone's going to have to do this. So maybe if there's an assignment you've added that you only want a certain class to do or a certain individual to do because you differentiated that, you can do that as well. So then it comes up with the calendar. Once you click on this icon, the calendar icon where it says due, and this is during the last week. I was told the last day of the quarter is the 9th, and I want this due on November 6th. So it's going to be one of the last assignments that they will do. So I'm going to hit 6, November 6th. You can have it available from a certain time to a certain time. So like if I don't want them to see it, so I don't want them to work ahead, I could say it becomes available on the 2nd. So I could do that as well. And then I can go ahead and hit save. And so then you can see here, it becomes available on the 2nd, and it is due on the 6th. So now when I go to the assignments and I see all the different assignments in there, that it is now has a due date. Okay, so we can do that for different ones and add those in and go through your list. I hope this helps everybody on how to do a due date. So let's do it one more time. I click on an assignment, and this isn't one that we're using. I click edit. This is just to show you. I go down, I click the different types of submission. Okay, so this is going to be an online one. You can unclick whatever you want here. So maybe this one, I just want a text entry. I want it assigned to everyone, or maybe just one person. Okay, and then I put a due date, and I want it due on the 3rd. And then I click save. All right, I'm not going to click save because I do not want this one in there. But those are the steps you need to take to change the due date in Canvas. I hope this was helpful for you. Have a good one.